So most of the people are visiting by car, slowing down because there are a few monkeys here, mom and kids. And here we're gonna go under this rock. Yeah. Should be okay. Amazing rock formations. This is limestone and freshwater fountain. A whole slab which fell. Look at the monkeys. We're not supposed to feed them, but of course it's so much fun to feed them. And is that so bad? Look at, oh my god. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna check on these later. And we continue in this rock formation. It's incredible. So much stalactite. Even a way to climb up there. Just crazy. How many eroded formations. I think this ends here. Or maybe we can continue. Yeah, we can. Gosh. So this is Panga, which is also the province where you have Khao Lak north of Phuket. Some small religious shrine here. And now we're out of the cliff, out of the cave. We just came from there. And the mountains are amazing. They are very, very steep cliffs, full of vegetation. Nice little shrine here. And then we go and see the monkeys turning around. See this coconut. Another shrine over there. Gorgeous park. Really well kept. And we are not far from the ocean, so from the Panga Bay. So you have mangroves which are coming almost into town. Yeah, here are the monkeys. Looking for someone to feed them. Look at how many twigs. Monkeys are there, lots of monkeys, big group. Let's see, I don't think they're afraid of us, on the contrary, they are expecting to be fed. Let's see. Some are playing for these gyms. Oh, look at the climber, that's a climber. Oh my god, big family, big group. Look at that. Oh, the babies. So cute. Mommy!